In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your pipeline and stages in Pipedrive. First, log into your Pipedrive account and head to the Deals area. This is your command center for tracking opportunities. From here, switch to the pipeline view. Think of a pipeline as a visual board that represents your sales process from start to finish. Each column is a stage, and your deals move from left to right as they progress. This makes it easy to see where everything stands at a glance. Now, create a fresh setup by selecting New Pipeline. This is helpful if you want a process tailored to a product line, a region, or a specific team, instead of mixing everything into a single default flow. Give your pipeline a clear, descriptive name. Choose something that reflects the process, like new business or enterprise sales. Don't worry, you can rename it later if your process evolves. A good name helps your team immediately recognize when to use it. Next, add a new stage. Stages are the key milestones in your sales cycle. Each one answers the question, what's the current status, and what's the next action? Keep stage names simple and action-oriented, so everyone understands when a deal belongs there. Name your first stage Lead In. This is where new opportunities land as soon as they're created. Use it to capture initial details and perform quick qualification. A helpful tip: define what it takes to move a deal out of Lead In, maybe a discovery call booked or basic fit confirmed, so deals don't get stuck. Add another stage and call it Proposal Sent. This stage is for deals where you've shared pricing or a formal proposal. It's smart to attach the proposal to the deal and immediately schedule a follow-up activity with a clear deadline. That way, you'll never lose track of who you owe a response or who owes you one. Add one more stage and name it Negotiation. Use this when you're actively discussing scope, terms, or final pricing. Keep thorough notes here, capture objections, approvals, and decision makers, so anyone on your team can step in with full context. When your stages look right, click Save Changes. You can always drag stages to reorder them and adjust probabilities later to match your typical win rates. Finally, to start tracking real opportunities, click the plus icon on any stage to add a deal. The form lets you set the deal title, contact, value, owner, and expected close date. Because you clicked a specific stage, the deal will start right there, ready for the next action. And that's it, your pipeline is live. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.